Hey guys, so today I am going to be taking you guys around and showing you guys how I take pictures. I haven't done this on my channel, so I hope you guys like the content. By the way, I don't have lipstick on. I think I'm gonna do it when I'm in the car, when we are on our way over there, since I get asked all the time, like, how do you take pictures? A lot of comments on how I take my pictures, so I'm gonna take you guys around and show you guys how I take them. Right now I'm just gonna get changed. I might take an extra outfit just in case, but I'm already ready pretty much. I already did my hair. I went for some curls today because I haven't like taken a picture with my hair this curly, so that's what I'm going for. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of makeup just to touch up, and then obviously do my lips over there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you guys want to follow me around to take pictures, then continue watching. Alright guys, so the lighting is really bad right now. We are on our way to go take pictures. I'm going to show you guys what I brought and everything. By the way, I already did my lip combo. I used Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade So Rare. I also applied the KKW Beauty Honey Collection in number 2 and number 3. I put number 2 in the center because I like that pouty look, you know. I'm gonna show you guys what I have here in the car because obviously I want to change maybe into a different outfit so we get a bunch of pictures. So let me show you guys really quick. So I have this right here, which I am going to be wearing for the first outfit, and then I have this jacket right here. By the way, I don't have my nails done. I wish I did, but it's totally fine. It looks kind of ratchet, but it's fine. This is the first outfit that I am going to be wearing, and then this right here, which I got this one at Target, and then I got this at ZARA. So I have like lip options right here just in case, like if I want to go for a gloss, I have a gloss right here, or if I want to go for a red lip, I have this Persona lipstick, which is so cute. So I have a tripod here just in case. I also have bags right here, which is one option. It's a Coach bag. Shout out to Coach and Sephora for sending me this bag. It's the cutest bag ever. You guys will see. And then I also got this new bag right here from Supreme. It's literally new. I have not worn it. So I have that, and then I have some sneakers right here, and then obviously I just brought some heels just in case. And then I also brought jewelry right here, and then obviously some lotion, my beauty blender. So that's what I got. But yeah, you guys, Luis will be taking my pictures right here, my editor. Or your sister. Or my sister, but she's out getting Starbucks for us. Look, this lady is literally married. Like just got done getting married, I think. That's so cool. But yeah, you guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see the pictures. I'm so excited. I actually have a location to go, but we'll see if we like it. But we also have multiple locations to go to, so if that place, the place that we're about to go, doesn't work out, then we have way more to go. So yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to see. So I'll see you guys right now over there. So we got our Starbucks. Thank you, Yolanda. For those that are wondering what I get the iced caramel macchiato. I know, very basic, but it's so good. But this is what I get right here. A venti iced caramel macchiato, 6 pumps of vanilla, caramel drizzle, and venti. And this is my makeup right here. No filter. I even been to it. I didn't even get a haircut. I got some like really random lashes. I think these are Lily lashes. And then I also use the Makeup by Mario palette, which is my favorite right now. It's my go-to palette. It's so good if you're trying to go for like a natural look and also a dramatic look, because it has like a dark brown and also a black matte black. So I definitely recommend that palette. Alright guys, so we are here at the parking lot. I wanted to take pictures here in the parking lot because it's really good lighting. As you guys can tell, the lighting is perfect. It's like A1. But let me show you guys the location because it's so nice. Like the view is so pretty. Look at this lighting though. This lighting is so bomb. Okay, so this is the view. Look how pretty it is. You guys see? It's so pretty. Literally all the casinos were literally where all the casinos is at. But I'm so happy it's also empty, like totally empty. There's nobody here, only us three. So I am about to change a little bit and see what to wear. And I'm gonna put my jewelry on, like, because I have like no earrings. So I'll see you guys right now. Alright guys, so we are done with the pictures inside the parking lot. Now we're going to the top to take some more. The lighting is still pretty good right now, but because the sun is out, thank God. I think I'm gonna change my outfit. I'm gonna take a few more shots with this outfit, but I am going to be changing outfits. Let me show you guys the location right now on where we're at, because it's really, really pretty. Here is this building, the Aria. There's the Excalibur MGM. Excalibur is all the way over there. Oh yeah, it's the New York. Sorry, my bad. So here is the second bit. I don't know if you guys have seen this one before on my haul, but it's really cute. And then I'm gonna pair it with this really cute jacket from Target. Yeah. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is a wrap for today's photo shoot, and we actually did a little mini TikTok. Look at this. It looks so good. You guys will have to see. Follow me. Yeah. But yeah, you guys, that is a wrap. I think we're going to get something to eat, but I really loved how my makeup turned out. I have a bunch of tutorials if you guys want to check that out. I'll have some link down below. And if you guys want to check out the pictures that we took today, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The video that you guys just saw was on TikTok, so make sure to follow me on TikTok. So right now we're just going to get something to eat, and then after I'm just gonna go home and give you guys an outro over there, because right now we're hungry. So I'll see you guys at my house. Alright guys, so I am back home. I'm actually in my room right now, and we got back like an hour ago, but you know, we were eating because we got food to go, so we came to eat really quick. And then honestly, like out of nowhere, my head just started to hurt and I had to lay down for a second. I don't know if it was like the sun or I was just tired, but I just wanted to give you guys some tips. I have them written down here on my phone about taking pictures. I'm not a professional, like obviously I don't model professionally, but you know, I've been doing it for so long that I can give you guys recommendations or just like little tips here or there. The first tip that I'm gonna give you guys, and I feel like you guys probably already know, is lighting. You guys need really good lighting to take pictures in. Obviously, like you don't want your pictures to look dull and dark and just like not Instagram worthy, I guess. Always think about the lighting and the location that you guys are gonna go for. Like I would say 3 hours before sunset, so you can have like the bombest lighting out there. And I also recommend using a natural lighting. So for sure that's like #1 tips. Also your outfits. Take an extra outfit if you are not like feeling the first outfit that you're, you know, shooting in. Always have a second option just in case. Also have extra shoes, maybe some heels. Black heels never hurt nobody. Like black heels are a key, a staple to any outfit. And shoes, you know, and you know, like Vans or anything like that that you guys feel comfortable in. Also make sure that your makeup looks good. Make sure that you're not doing also like dramatic makeup. I would say like natural makeup, like what I'm wearing right now, is perfect because I feel confident in it, and I also feel like my best in it, you know? So always go for like the natural kind of makeup. Never go for, you know, heavy makeup or like a smoky eye. Maybe if your theme is that, then go for it, but I would say like just a very simple crease color, you know, and then nude lips, a good amount of blush, a good amount of contour, so obviously the makeup pops out even more in the camera. Because what I've learned is that if you put light makeup, it won't show up so much on the camera because the camera takes away so much color, if that even makes sense. So I always try to load it a little bit. Like, it doesn't matter because it's just for pictures. And then also get someone that knows your angles. It doesn't need to be a professional whatsoever, just someone that knows your angles, you know, like for sure. I would say like my sister, she knows my angles so good and I trust her. So yeah, like she's not even a professional, she just knows her angles and everything like that. Like, she's bomb. And also, you know, you need to have a hype support system, you know, like somebody that, you know, keeps you hype, like, yes, do that, do this, do that. Or like someone that cares for your pictures. Like, let's say my hair is friggin' somewhere here, obviously you don't like this, obviously you don't want that in your picture, so make sure that somebody is like there to like fix you up. That's like #1 key too for me. I'm sorry if I have lipstick on my teeth, like I probably do, but yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Like my top tips for taking pictures. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun filming it, and this is going to be more frequent. Like, I'm going to continue doing things like this so you guys can see more about what I do and more about, like, you know, like myself, like letting you guys in a little bit more in my space. I'm so happy, like a new chapter is about to begin, so I'm just so happy. And also, please don't forget to follow all my social medias, my Instagram, Snapchat. I'll have them right here for you guys. My TikTok, I'll have it right here so you guys can follow me on all my social medias. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.